Hi, this is Mark. This is another video that I'm going to show you how to share the HIK devices to different devices. Okay, so this is my Android. It's a main phone. Okay, this will be the secondary phone that we are going to share. So right now, let me show you. When I click on HIKVision, I click on my devices. Okay, I'll be able to see my screen recording right now. Right? And okay, this is my main device. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to share it to this. So when I open this, it doesn't have anything. Would like to find the connect device. Okay. So what happens is, come back to this screen, click on share. Okay, share via QR code. Okay, you can click on this, and what happens is this: you click on add, and you bring this phone over here, scan, apply for sharing. Okay, please notify the apply for sharing. So what happens down here? Okay, so I go back, I will have one notification. You have one new share. So you click on here, share, and select to be shared channels. So you click on here. So I'm going to share camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and I click on finish. So I share 5 devices, and I click on accept. Okay, refresh. There you go. You'll be able to see the camera 1. Okay, that's all. That's how you share the device. So you can see here. Yep, sharing the device. Okay, that's all. Video clip. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Hope you guys subscribe and press the like button. Bye.